How many of us would have gone to sleep feeling alone or crying silently in bed? நம்மள நிறைய பேர் இது ஃபேஸ் பண்ணிருப்போம், right? Each one has their own problem. Few daysக்கு முன்னாடி my daughter also had the same situation. She was having a hard time listening to me. She's watching me all the time, rocking her little brother to sleep, holding him most of the time, or like feeding him. ஒரு நாள் she quietly ran near me, hugged me and said, "அம்மா என்னையும் தூங்க வைக்கிறியா? என்னையும் தூக்கிக்கோ, தூக்கிட்டே தூங்க வை." இப்படி தான் சொன்னா. Oh my god, immediately I just froze for a second and all my frustration, my tiredness just vanished. I took some time to put my little one to sleep and grabbed my older one. And I was rocking her. As I did, I whispered in her ear, I'm sorry, Amma is not spending more time with you. People nowadays are not spending so much time. I really feel very bad. She whispered back, "It's okay, Amma, I'm sorry." As I kept rocking, she slept on my shoulders. I had tears in my eyes thinking it's been months since I have put her to sleep. After having a second child, it's difficult to spend time with the older one. But the point is, I realized it thinking about how long it's been since I have picked her up in my arms, held her and rocked her to sleep. I have spent endless nights doing this when she was a baby, but now it's reduced. So finally, எனக்கு நானே ஞாபகப்படுத்திக்கிட்ட விஷயம், I'll pick her up, hold her more, and I'll remind her how much I love her.